That only stands for Mind Killing Records. Easy.
You were never around, you never cared for us. The pain of the lies you always injected in us. Confusing the moment, but now I'm awfully grown. I know why you did what you did with monster. For that I'll never forgive you. Don't wanna disrespect. I may carry your blood, but that is it. Nothing more and nothing less. My mother had to suffer to give us, my brothers and sisters, the best life that we can possibly live. And you were drunk, knocked out in the bed, not giving a damn what kind of life you would live. And you decided to piss it away, and now you wanna return like if nothing went wrong. Are you serious, Dad? 40-something years, it took you long enough to realize that we were your world. Now that I have a baby in mind, I promise to love you more than you ever did when we were kids. When we were kids. Tears are falling down. I remember when I used to call you my hero. You ain't even on my scale, you were zero. Disappointed in you, I can't believe your tears are falling down. I remember when I used to call you my hero. You ain't even on my scale, you were zero. Disappointed in you, I can't believe you.